guys, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today's video is going to be a rock alternative look, and basically I'm just gonna show you the look that ends up with. I really like experimenting new styles and just trying to be different character, and I feel like this time I went totally full out. I also tried to create a fake piercing on my nose. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with it. So as for the outfit, I'm just wearing this beautiful military jacket, which is from a shop called Berska, and I'm just obsessed with it. I really love how it looks like, especially with the skirt, and I don't know, I'm just obsessed. Also, it looks super cool even when you just close it and tag it out. That's amazing. And then of course I wear this skirt, which is a leather circle skirt from Terra Nova, and you guys know that it's always been my favorite skirt. And then as for my top, it is from Jennifer, and that's pretty much it. Then as for shoes, I'm wearing those with a bow, which I got from the opener market, and I'm really obsessed with it. And of course I wear also my fishnet tights. And yeah, that's the video for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel as well, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.